Hi, my name is Dr. John Carmichael. I'm an endocrinologist.
And I'm Dr. Sirisha Mohan, a family medicine physician.
Here at Keck Medicine of USC, we are committed to providing high-quality care,
whether our patients are in an exam room or their living room. When you make a telehealth appointment, the scheduler will tell you what you will need to have ready for the visit, but you might still have some questions.
In order to ensure the best outcome, please keep the following tips in mind.
Take the time to learn how to use the video application before your appointment. If you have any questions, our concierge representatives will help walk you through the application. They can help you troubleshoot in advance so you can see and hear your doctor clearly during your appointment.
A strong internet connection is important to reduce the risk of miscommunication.
Your physician may not know if the connection cuts out, so feel free to ask for information to be repeated if necessary.
Find a quiet, well-lit, and private area for your appointment.
Depending on the reason for your visit, the provider may request a visual examination in lieu of a physical exam, so privacy is important.
We try to make your telehealth appointment as similar as possible to an in-person visit. Just like when you visit our offices, you may be greeted by our receptionist. You may also be asked to submit your copay, so be sure to have your payment method ready.
Next, our clinical staff may ask your medical history, any changes in your condition, medications, tests, or lab results. Please be prepared to share with our staff and your physician. You are now ready to see your provider. You may be placed in a virtual waiting room, but your physician will be with you shortly.
Please don't be alarmed if you see us in a mask. Even though we may not be seeing you in person, we are in our Keck Medicine offices and want to assure the safety of our patients, staff, and each other. If you are unclear about your doctor's follow-up instructions, ask for clarification. We always want you to feel comfortable with the care and instructions you receive.
If after hearing these tips, you still aren't sure whether a telehealth appointment is right for you, reach out to your scheduler. They will review your needs and discuss options with you. Be well, and remember that Keck Medicine is here for you.
In person and virtually. Thank you.
Thank you.